Aiyo, you so naughty. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Tucker, here. Come on.
Stay. Okay. Hmm. 9 upon 10. I give it 9 upon 10. Stay. Okay. Oh, real full. 7.10. It's 7.10. Hey, no more. No more. What? Okay. It's quite gross. It's quite gross. 3.10. Okay. Ooh, this tastes a bit weird, this watermelon. It's not very sweet. I think this is almost a 5.10. Go properly, baby. Okay. This is gross. 2.10. You like it? Wait. Ready? Okay, let's eat. What's that? Is that good? How about 8 upon 10? Okay? Is it? Okay! It's leftover lunch. So it's cold. And 5.10. Ready? Hey! Hey, why you never eat? Oh! Come on then. Yes, yours! Really? Okay, let's eat again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is a strong 0.10. No? No? The camera? Okay, let's eat. Oh, kimchi. It's sour. 6 upon 10. You like kimchi? Stay. Stay. Okay. Hey! Hey! Warm breath. 7.5 out of 10. Okay, Bailey. Lau Gamma chili oil. Okay, let's go. Not to be eaten alone. 6 out of 10. Hey, okay, enough. Hey, that's my plate. Okay, Bailey, wait, stay. You have no idea what you're in for, man. Ready? Okay. Oh. Hey, Bailey, you never eat. Hey, you cheat! You just swallowed the whole thing! Oh, it's so hot. This is like a 2.10.